Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create a low poly template for a bunny for the upcoming Easter. This template I created in Pepakura with a free 3D model that was available online. So guys, let's get started. So obviously to create a template, you are going to need a 3D model. For that, open your browser and open the website thingiverse.com. This is nowadays one of my favorite websites for getting low poly models because there are a lot of such models on this website. On the website, search for low poly bunny and you will get lots of different choices and you can select the model for which you want to work with. So the model that I selected was this golden bunny because it looked fairly straightforward with not so many faces, and it actually looked low poly and interconnected model to me. So that's why I selected that model and I downloaded it. Once you have downloaded it, the next step is to open your Pepakura. Now Pepakura is not a free software, as I have told in many of my videos before also, but the price of the software is well worth its usefulness. Once the Pepakura has loaded, the next step is to drag and drop your 3D model file onto the Pepakura so that the Pepakura can start processing it. Go with the default option, that is no flip. Do not flip the model inside out. Then next it will ask for the front and the bottom faces of the model. Choose accordingly and select no invert and click finish. The Pepakura is going to merge all the faces it can automatically. Next, you have to select the height, width and depth of the model. You can change one and the rest will automatically get adjusted. Try using a mouse instead of the finger pad of the laptops when working with Pepakura because it works better with a mouse. Next, I'm going to specify certain edges where I want the model to be broken. For that, click on the cut line edge option at the top, which enables it, and then on whatever edges you are going to click, they will get highlighted orange, telling the software that the model needs to be broken from there. If you don't want to do that, then the model can automatically make its own choices, but that's normally not good. It's better that you specify your own edges through which you want to break the model. Also, as you can see that this is a very unsymmetrical model, so I'm not going to specify all the cut line edges. I'm only going to specify few ones where I actually need my model to be broken. Rest I'm going to let the software do its work and later adjust it if required. In case during specifying the cut line edges, if you clicked on an edge accidentally, you can click on it again to remove that cut line specification so that the software does not breaks the model on that particular edge. Once you are happy with the cut line specification, click on the unfold button at the top menu so that the software can create a 2D template of your 3D model. Now, since we have not specified cut line edges for the entire model, you will see that there will be a lot of large pieces on the right hand side, which is your 2D working area. To zoom in and zoom out, you can use the mouse scroll wheel button, and to adjust the working area, you can use the right click button. Now whenever you are creating a 2D template, it is important that the flaps are clearly visible. So as you can see here that this particular flap was not clearly visible, so I'm going to break the model again. The shortcut to activate that particular functionality is Control N, which kind of enables the join and disjoin utility within the software, and to again go back to the select mode, you can press Control M. Once you are in the join and disjoin mode, on whatever edge you are going to click, if it is connected, then it is going to separate. If it is not connected, then it will connect to the corresponding edge also. So that's the join and disjoin utility that you can utilize. When this utility is enabled, every time your mouse pointer goes over an edge, the edge will get highlighted either green or red. Once you are done breaking the model into required pieces, next step is to arrange the pieces on the working area on right hand side so that minimum printing paper is required to take a printout of the template. We are trying to optimize the printing space. Now whenever you click any piece on the 3D model on the left hand side, the corresponding piece on the 2D working space gets highlighted in the form of a red rectangle around it, and whenever you click any piece on the right hand side on your working area, the corresponding piece gets highlighted on the 3D model. So that's how you know exactly what piece you are working on. To drag a piece, simply left click and drag it. Also on your right hand side working area, you will see many rectangles. Each rectangle, each dotted rectangle corresponds to one A4 size page by default. So when you are trying to create the template, think of the starting point of your 3D model and the ending point of your 3D model and accordingly arrange the pieces. So I'm going to start with the ears of the bunny and then I'm going to end at the base, and accordingly I'm going to select pieces one by one and arrange them sequentially, trying to utilize the printing area as much as possible. To select multiple pieces, you can use shift and left click. Also, when you are arranging the pieces on a page, ensure that you're not going outside those dotted boundary, because that represents the ending of the printing area. So if any part or if a part of any piece is outside that dotted area, then it will get cut off during the printing process. As you can see that I'm not numbering the pieces right now. That's because I'm going to do it at the end once I've arranged all the pieces. But if you feel that you might forget the sequence of the pieces, then you can number the pieces also as you arrange them. Here we are with the final arrangement of the pieces. As you can see that I have been able to accommodate all the pieces in 3 printing pages only, and now it's time to number the pieces. For that I'm going to activate the text mode by clicking on that T in the menu on the left hand side, or you can also press Ctrl T to activate the text menu. To deactivate it, press Ctrl M to go back into the select mode. So I'm going to keep clicking on the pieces to actually see which piece I'm numbering so that I number it correctly. So for every piece that I want to number, I'll press Ctrl T, click to add the text, give the number and then press OK. You can change the color of the number that you are putting, or you can also change the font of the number. So that's up to you how you want to put it. And I'm going to do this for all the pieces. While Pepakura is a very good software for creating 2D templates out of 3D models, there are certain steps which are very tiring and very tedious, especially arranging of the parts if you don't want to waste your printing paper, and giving the part numbers if you are planning to sell the template, or even for yourself also, because it becomes very confusing matching the edge numbers with two parts. So these are the tedious aspects of Pepakura, but once you are able to finish it, you get a very good template which anybody can utilize and you can sell also. So guys, here we are after a finished template. Now the only thing remaining is to convert it into a PDF file. For that, all you need to do is to click on the file menu at the top and select print to PDF. It will ask for a location where you want to save your PDF template. Provide that location and hit the save button. Do a last check by opening your PDF template file and checking if all the parts are captured correctly and none of them have been cut out or anything on the sides. And once you are happy, you are ready with your low poly Easter bunny template. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you guys liked the video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.